She said, blessed is the route that you choose, my child. Don't forget where you come from. All the good people that you find on the road on your way up. She said, blessed is the route that you choose, my child. Don't forget where you come from. All the good people that you find on the road on your way up. Cause you're gonna find them on your way down. Cause you're gonna find them on your way down. She said, blessed is the route that you choose, my child. Don't forget where you come from. All the good people that you find on the road on your way up, on your way up.
Sure. Hello, Martin. Yes, I was just going through this document that you sent someone to bring to me. Yes, but I don't understand why you had to put 3 beneficiaries instead of 5. How can you make such a big mistake? Do you know that if I submit this, then I'll be in trouble? No, but you're supposed to go through the works. I sent you correct things, and this is the only thing you can bring to me. And you expect me to submit this rubbish? Listen, it would be wrong if I start taking these things elsewhere. I trust you as a business partner. That's why I brought this work to you, because I knew you're going to do this work accordingly. But I can't take this nonsense now. This is the 3rd time you're making such a big mistake. I can't take this anymore. Celine? 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 Whatever. Minha filha chegou. Eu vou com ele. Eu vou mandar para o povo de Mbera de telefone antes do apa. O filho não é coisa ruim. Vamos lá. Anyway, the telefone. Isso é fora. Niko watapari nchitopano ni ewe. You want me to call the police? My friend, I told you that to the phone nchitopano you won't fight to do it. You that foot. You won't go back to the phone nchitopano. My friend, you, I'll take you to the police. Ichikurusana chore for pano chinshi. We don't want anyone. Boy, but why some kuch tension? Ah, maybe I'll give you. not correct. Get out. That's really what I'm but. Don't sit on the chair. Sit down. Anyway, I said don't sit on the Papa glass opening up so many. Sit down. Annie. It's come. I want you to be careful when cleaning this. I propose a TV and I want a dust. If you didn't have the remote there, clean that mess up. Anyway, I said put TV up. Look at where I'm pointing. Not a good to turn 10 with you. I'm gonna first so come and clear the dining. No problem, clear this face. You don't pay attention to Mwana first, chitakuwa arrange mabuku hapa fe. Kama fena akweba fiance, chitakuwa arrange mabuku hapo. Nachukua bacho kuhamia paja. Kakaitaka chika wimba yaka ilifo kuhamia kwa. Nafia nkuperera kasaru. Iwe dance to ikale wonse. Do it. Let's go. You have to think about it, huh?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Yeah, because this way, please.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was also thinking it wasn't. So that's not the kind of business we can invest in.
Yeah, it's not. My mom is getting on my nerves, man.
Because of what?
She's saying I should get married.
Wow!
No.
I'm sure she can tell that you've grown up.
Oh, no.
You need someone, no side chick. What kind of a man are you?
No, I'm not ready for marriage. No, I'm not ready for any commitment. It's not making sense. Chill, I'm young. I'm a youth.
Oh.
Yeah.
And guess what? I'm getting engaged next year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting engaged next year.
Oh.
Yeah. And it was just tricky how I got to find this girl. She was just a nobody, Yeah.
Nobody.
Yeah, so because at times, going after a big lady, boss, it's hard to tell whether she follows mine or not, but someone like that, you just accept it.
Actually, I know you. You set the police.
Not necessarily settling police. You remember, Brenda broke my heart.
Naam dia?
Sini. Ini.
Naam.
Sini. Hey. Oh yeah, Brenda.
That's a mistake I don't want to make.
Oh no, Brenda, she's the past now. Let's just move on.
Yeah, I heard she's an attorney now.
Oh really?
Yeah, she's studying law. Yeah, we met one of the days when I went to.
You just met.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I think I have to go. I just came to see you and then, yeah, I think, and then, yeah, I was just passing by for this. And then, yeah, we'll talk.
also, you're saying that's when you were going to sign the contract. You told me about the contract.
Yeah, exactly.
It's million! Millionaire! Man, you're doing it.
We'll say
No,
great,
I always
man.
admire your hard work, man.
I'll invite you. In fact, there will be a party.
Really?
Yeah, there will be a party.
Can't wait for that.
Yeah.
Can't wait. Question is, why trust me? What? Celine? Celine? Okay, let me call you back. Celine! Celine. What's wrong with you, kid? You sick?
Yes,
What are you sick of?
stomach hurt.
No, it's been a week now you've been behaving strangely.
It's nothing.
Is there anything I need to know?
It's nothing. Just stomach ache. I'm fine.
Oh, Celine, no, you. Celine? Celine? Come, please. Celine. What is wrong with you?
I say I'm fine. Nothing is wrong.
You know, let me make you understand this. In this world, we're just the two of us. And you know how much I care about you. You know how much I care about your health. And you can't tell me that I can sit and watch you overreacting lately. Because it never used to be like this. Now, just for the past few weeks, and every human who cares will be bothered. So there's something you're hiding from me and I need to know. Because you can't tell me nothing is wrong with you because that has never happened. And I was telling you that we go to the clinic, you still don't want to go there. So then what's the problem?
I'm fine.
Listen. You know I can do anything for you. And I care so much about your interests. I've seen you grow from a baby to a grown-up. And I can do anything you can ask. Anything you can ask from me. Without harming me, because I know you're the only thing I have.
You won't be upset with me when I tell you.
Not really. Why should I?
Tell me you won't be upset with me when I tell you.
No, just tell me, come on.
You won't be?
No, come on. Why should I?
I'm pregnant.
Tell me you're joking or something.
I'm being serious. I'm pregnant.
You mean you're pregnant?
Yes.
As in pregnant, you're carrying a child.
A baby.
But how? How did it happen? Because as far as I'm concerned, you never take time to go out, you got no friends. So how did it happen? Who is responsible for that?
The other person came the other day.
You mean my friend Lufo?
Not Uncle Lufo. The other one. The cleaner.
Which cleaner? Do we have a cleaner in this house?
The one who was cleaning the other day. The one you brought in the afternoon for cleaning.
What? You mean that son of a nobody impregnated you and you allowed that?
He's a good guy. He understands me. Come on. Is that to encourage me? He has been nice to me. And this child, I'm keeping this pregnancy. I'm keeping it. I'm not going to abort it. I love that guy and I'm going to get married to him. He's a good person. I've interacted with him so many times. He has just been to me, special to me. He's the only one who can understand me.
Celine, this is not making sense to me. You know, of all people, Celine, of all people in this world, that? And where is he?
Outside.
Get him in.
But no one's killed him.
Get him in. Is she out? Has she gone nuts? What does she even admire about that loser? That man is a nobody. Oh, Christ's sake. Where is he? Oh my God, what?
Tonight, right? You look tonight, right? Serious?
Hey, come on, Kala. Out, come on, Kala. if you're you pay for more chaching. So, mwikala kwisa.
Yeah.
Kama mwikala. So, kila shinga rooms.
So kapati. Basta kama una toilet, ni pants.
Kama una toilet pants. Amba tamufara mashati mwe.
Akaji na chini particular cha suka pia. Sio t-shirt cha sapo. Nachukua hapo.
So this is your choice.
So put better.
It's so funny. Walipusha school.
Yeah, school.
Mm.
Pati nale anomba kaili wasala ndati nasa isa chepesho kusabira mu school ya grade 9 basi na shule ka grade 9 na isa pusha grade 9.
So after that TKF ma planet mukala basungira kwisa.
Anti nina ishibati ndatwa na senda kata wala mimi nakumbushi kwa kupata tam kitu historia
And you were ready for that? You were ready to go and be imam at Ute?
Yes.
Okay. I think for now, I don't have any other option but to just see how I can help you. So, what I'm thinking is, since my sister is already business-minded, I'm planning on just giving you something that you guys can use to make a living. Plus, there is one house in Canada, so I'm sure she's aware about that. So, we can just discuss before.
she's the person you find.
Okay. Nati, if you had sticker, inshara ningamia fuisha mo inobadi. Kai date ndeko ya lechu. No date ndeka na mwendechu because I didn't teach my sister. So therefore inshara ya kumirafu. Of which therefore kumpera kukandalama since we are makari business minded. So narampera kukandalama then imwana ko mara tontonka nyama ko mwakula achita. And alikuwa atakwenda kunkana east mori babarents. So the due date ya payment ya we are up in 2 months time. So before tabala sonkera, you can go and see them before they pay. Before they renew the payments.
Payments are the pan here. Kwa imani nitaje pan here then. So yeah, she akamshinda.
Au kaidi tamfire mwaishi wakaidi ne one day miafa. So shili shonzo shona mpera.
Kaida ile kwa